To find the volume of a cylinder, I want to relate this to finding the volume of any kind of prism. And what you want to remember is that volume for a prism is equal to the area of the base. So I'm going to do that capital B. What's the area of the base? And then multiplied by the height. And just remember, the base are these two kind of sides that are parallel to one another and are the same shape. So in this example, the bases are the two circles, and they are connected by almost like a rectangle that's been folded around. We call that the lateral area. So just remember, the bases should be parallel to one another, otherwise we might have kind of a slanted shape, which we can still find the volume of. It's just a different formula. And then the height is, the height of this kind of lateral area that connects them. So let's do an example here. Let's say that our radius was 7 and our height was 15. So I would begin by finding the area of the base. Remember, area of a circle is pi times the radius squared. So in this case, if you wanted to even substitute that in, you could say, well, the volume is really going to be equal to the pi times radius squared times height, which you'll often see as the volume of a cylinder. I like to just kind of generalize this and say, we can always just find the area of the base. Doesn't matter what the shape is. So for us, the volume will be equal to pi times 7 squared times the height. And we could just type that in and find the volume in our calculator. Okay, let's do another example. Let's say that instead of being given the radius of our circle base, we were given the diameter. The first thing you would want to do is find the radius, which, remember, is always just half of my diameter. So we would say, well, then the volume is equal to pi times 10 squared times my height of 30. Again, just always find the area of the base, whatever the shape is, and multiply by the height. I'm just going to type that in so you can see what it looks like. We've got pi times the radius squared times the height. And there we have it. Again, find the area of the base, multiply by the height. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more math help.